Hi, I'm Naintara. I work in product development at Arata. We just launched our Super Serum and I know you all must have so many questions about it and I'm here to answer them all.
What does the Super Serum do?
The Super Serum has multiple benefits in one bottle. It's the entire package. It's powered by the JD jojoba hair complex, which is a powerful blend of plant oils and safe silicones. These help reduce frizz, add smoothness, shine, manageability. It prevents damage from environmental stressors, split ends, breakage, and even color fading. As I said, it's the entire package.
The Super Serum contains silicones. Are they safe for hair?
Silicones actually play a very important role in your hair care products. They create a protective barrier around your strands, keeping away environmental stressors that can damage your hair. So don't worry, our Super Serum is super safe.
What makes Arata Super Serum better than other hair serums?
Based on a consumer testing conducted by Arata, users reported that they found the Super Serum to be 75% lighter with better absorption and spreadability than the leading hair serums in the market. Unlike other serums which offer only short-term fixes, our serum has long-term benefits. No matter what your hair type is or where you live, the Arata Super Serum has been perfected for all Indian weather conditions.
Is the Super Serum safe for colored, chemically straightened or permed hair?
Not only is the Arata Super Serum safe for colored and chemically treated hair, but the fatty acid and antioxidant-rich formula prevents color fading and reduces protein loss to strengthen chemically treated hair.
Does the Super Serum work for all hair types?
Absolutely. Whether you have straight, wavy, curly, thick, fine, coarse, oily or dry hair, we've perfected the Arata Super Serum for all hair types.
How should I use the Super Serum on curly hair?
You can use the praying hands method where you take a pump of the Super Serum, rub it between your hands and smoothen it over your strands. You can also use it to crunch the crunch that you get out of a gel cast, and this is going to ensure that your curls stay defined and hydrated.
Should I use the Super Serum on dry or damp hair?
The Super Serum can be used on both dry and damp hair. Use it on damp hair to lock in moisture, but if your hair tends to get weighed down easily, use it on dry hair. Either way, you'll get a frizz-free, smooth and shiny finish every single time.
Can I use the Super Serum with other hair products?
Yes, you absolutely can. Just remember to layer your products from the lightest to the heaviest consistency. And for best results, use the Super Serum with the Arata Super Shampoo. You're going to love how soft, sleek and smooth your hair looks.
How should I store the Super Serum?
The Arata Super Serum has gone through a long and rigorous stability testing process, so you don't really have to worry about this. But just to be safe, store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and make sure the cap is always tightly closed to prevent contamination.
Is the Super Serum derma-tested and vegan?
Absolutely. The Arata Super Serum is derma-tested, non-irritant and free from harsh chemicals. And we love our animals way too much, so all our products are 100% cruelty-free and vegan.
Can the Super Serum be used before heat styling?
While oils and silicones can offer a degree of protection against heat in general, our serum has not been tested to be a dedicated heat protectant. So we do recommend you use a separate heat protection if you will be using heat tools. But here's some insider information for you. We're going to come up with something super soon that will be able to help you with heat protection. The Arata Super Serum is the ultimate smart care for beautiful hair. Go shop now!